No two musicians play in exactly the same way, and no two musical instruments sound the same or feel the same in a musician's hands. Is there anything better for a musician than to own a unique musical instrument? That's where a musical instrument designer comes in. Musical instrument builders and designers build instruments within a certain family of instruments. They usually have an option to either work for an instrument manufacturing company or run their own shop. One of the best ways to explore this field is to take some type of musical instrument lesson. This experience will help you develop an ear for tonal quality and acquaint you with the care of your instrument. It will also put you in contact with those who work professionally with music. Skills required to become a musical instrument designer. Excellent woodwork and metalwork skills, a good appreciation of pitch and quality of sound, problem-solving skills, good practical skills, accuracy and precision, business skills if self-employed. Education and training to become a musical instrument designer includes certificate programs that can last from 6 months to 1 year, and courses which are taught sequentially, starting with repair design, tilling, and ending with guitar design. These programs are for those who desire a career in musical instrument design or building industries, and those who want to start their own businesses. While there's no standard professional certification required for this career, individuals will still benefit from participating in courses where they can gain hands-on knowledge on the craft of building and designing musical instruments.